All right, so we got a client out front for the truck install, and the installer worked with the doors open, so the battery discharged and is low, so we got to put it on the charger. I got to wait a second. So I wanted to get this video done before I shipped it, but this is the 13W7. I built it out to be a sound quality 15 removable top assembly. So let's go ahead and get TSPs so you guys can see what you're dealing with. This is a dual one. Let me move it a little bit. The dual one coil from Lord of Bass. I'll give a link to it. FS is 30. That's nice. And VAS is 3.6 cubic feet, which is about right. I think he's going to put it in like, that was like 4.5, which should be kind of boomy. There you go. And then basically what I'm going to send him, so we did the holes right here on the edges. The 13W7 uses a 160 millimeter bolt hole pattern. You got to remember that these motors are made in China. All the parts are made in China, so they will always have a a metric equivalent, even though they're assembled here in America. So, but we'll see about that. Now that there's new owners, Garmin will probably move all of manufacturing over to Asia, save a bunch of money. I mean, why pay Cubans or Mexicans when you can pay Chinese or Malaysians or whatever? So, but just wanted to show it to you. Let me see. Let me get the tool real quick. All right, so here's the kit I'm sending them. These are stainless. I bought a bunch of them for when we used to do Rockford Fosgate HX2s, because they tap them out for quarter 20s, and that's what these are tapped out for, is quarter 20. We just use a flathead, and then number 3 Phillips. It's pretty universal. So you just put it in there, lefty loosey righty tighty, and then you just loosen it up. So when he gets it, he's just going to put it right on top, and it should be precision matched. That's why sometimes when the real precision ones, I like to use the divoted holes with a countersink in them, so that way this is the model that I'm using, and so it should be exactly like the one that he has in his neck of the woods. And so he should be able to just bolt it on and it's good to go. One little, I guess, oh shit, I forgot to include that spider. Fuck, I gotta send it to him. Anyways, it's a different order. Maybe I did, I don't know. We'll find out. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. That's the M.A.C.K assembly. Modular audio concepts and kinetics. We did the 4-gauge terminals. This is a doubled up heavy duty flat lead, flat leads. It's dual one. You can run it at 0.5 ohm or 2 ohm. And as you can see, here's the TL small parameters. And then that's it. Maybe I'll stitch it. If I still have the woofer port on my phone, I'll stitch it with that and leave it with that. Thanks guys, I love you. These are available, the 15 inch is available for only $400 shipped with the tool and the hardware. We're doing the 18 for $450, and then the 12 for $375. And that's shipped, this is October 2023. So prices may go up, I doubt it, because that's right now we're at the max, and hopefully the recession will ease and we'll go back to somewhat normal. People get paid more, so then that's how the economy equalizes. But I love you. I gotta get this packed and shipped out tonight. Love you. Talk to you later.